Hey, it's Susan, and I'm going to show you how to build a gauge to look at past due schedules. So if you're a service desk manager or if you're a service desk technician yourself, you might want to look at how many past due schedules you currently have in your queue, which basically looks at whether or not you did something when you said you were going to work on something. That's the basis of it. So you're going to click on this green plus sign and select a gauge, and you might use BMS or Autotask or TigerPaw or ConnectWise for this specific gauge. I'm going to show ConnectWise in this example, and depending on which data source you use, the data set may be named differently. So here it's assigned resources, but for BMS and Autotask, it's probably going to be task data, and for TigerPaw, it might be activity schedule data. So just be cognizant of that. I'm going to build this as a number gauge because you basically just want to look at the number of past due schedules you have. Now, using assigned resources, when you choose ID as the measure, it's going to count the number of schedules that you have. If you are wanting to count the number of tickets instead, you would choose the ticket number filter to go in the measure instead. So you would choose this, and you would always choose count distinct, because a ticket can appear multiple times if a resource was scheduled to work on the same ticket at different times. So if you're just wanting to look at the individual tickets, you need to make sure to choose that count distinct option. Now we're going to filter by closed flag is open, because of course you want to look at the schedules that are still open, and you want to look at those that had a scheduled end date of earlier than today, or whatever parameters work best for you. And if you want to see this for a specific member of your team or for yourself, you could then choose assigned resource and filter by the person that you are thinking of. So now you'll see that this specific technician only has one schedule that's past due, which is pretty good. If you want to get details about those tickets and the status, then you can go ahead and build a drill down. And for example, you can use assigned resource. I would put the ticket number in here for sure, so you can click into the ticket and get more information. You can put the scheduled end date, so you can see when it was supposed to be worked on. And you can check on the status as well. So now if you click on the number, you can get all those details. And just a quick note, distinct tickets will not be reflected in the drill down, even though they're reflected in gauge, because the app can't determine which single row out of many to display. I hope this made sense to you. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to support@brightgauge.com. Thank you.